All right, so we're going to be taking a look at this screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. All right, so in the box, you're getting 3 different screen protectors. So if you mess up on the first try, you do have a few additional. See, of course, you have your instructions. We have this little soft pad here so that, it gives us a platform so that we don't scratch our phone. So we can just set our phone right on that pad like so. A bunch of different wet wipes and dust absorbers. We have this thing, which is like a guide to help us install the screen protector. So we'll take a look at this here shortly. And then we're also getting some camera lens protectors. So it looks like we have a total of 3 of those as well. And we have this little squeegee guy here, which is going to help us get out those air bubbles. All right, so we have our phone on top of the phone pad. And then this is that guide that I mentioned earlier. So it has a little part there that can go into your charging port. So we're just going to take that and put it right into the bottom there. And that's going to help us line up the screen protector. But first, let's go ahead and clean our screens. Let's grab our wet wipe. Use this screen nice and clean. So it's right down here. So all sections of the screen. So that's pretty good. And then we have a little microfiber cloth there. We're just going to dry it off. All right, and then to remove any lint or debris left behind, we have this dust absorber. Use that to get any remaining lint or debris. All right, so now we can grab our screen protector, and you got these little slots here. So we're going to use that guide and connect the slots on there like that. Okay. And then what we're going to do is take this bottom half of the screen protector, we're going to lift it up and then use this squeegee. As we're lifting up, we're going to kind of push down like that. All right, then we're going to do the same thing for the top. And then we just want to push around the edges. And then we can lift this up. And I do see a few air bubbles there, so I'm going to use this guy to try and squeeze those out. All right, there we go. I think I got the few air bubbles that were there out, so I think it looks pretty good. So next we'll go ahead and install one of the camera lens protectors. So I'm basically just going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to take one of the wet wipes and give the lenses a wipe down there. And we'll follow it up with the microfiber cloth. And then we'll come with the dust absorber. And I went ahead and put my case back on just to make sure there weren't any issues trying to get the phone back in the case once I had the camera screen protector on there. So I cleaned off the lenses, got all the dust and debris. So now we're just going to peel this off and line it up, and we're going to stick it on there. And there we go. So it fit on there, no issues, doesn't interfere with the case. So we got our screen protector on the front. Make sure we don't scratch the screen or anything like that. Got our lens protector on the back. Make sure we keep our cameras nice and safe. Now let's just go ahead and open the camera app just to make sure, everything is working properly. No obstructions on any of the lenses. And we're good to go.